Good early morning to day 5 of Travels with Bert's trip to Suphanburi Province. It looks here like it's Instagram day for novice monks. And where is here, you're wondering, and where am I? Well, the main feature here is a massive Buddha statue called Luang Po U Thong that's been carved from the face of a cliff. I think you can see it in the distance here. And U Thong is the name of the place we're at in Suphanburi Province, which is about 100 kilometers northwest of Bangkok. We're continuing our big loop around the north of the capital in order to avoid the traffic. The statue is surrounded by the grounds of a Buddhist center with many smaller Buddhist statues in front of the big statue. I think you can probably see from here that the site is a former abandoned quarry, and it covers a large area with lots of, what shall I call them, landscape bits, all surrounded by sheer cliffs. By the way, the sculpture is 84 meters tall, and it was started in 2014. And where am I, you're wondering? Well, day 5 was technical gremlins day. When I started editing this video, I discovered there was no audio track. Perhaps my twitterings offended the Buddha, so he shut me up. So here I am doing a voiceover in the relative cool of my home. Anyways, as you can probably see, behind the Buddha statue there's a big tunnel. We're not sure why. It's 50 meters long and contains nothing much of interest, at least not to me. But when you get to the other side, you can see one of those scary glass walkways clinging to the cliff face. And there doesn't seem to be much point to that either, as it's too far from and behind the statue, so I can't figure what you could see from up there. And I decided not to find out. It's not that I'm totally terrified of heights and glass walkways, I'm just slightly terrified. Anyways, let's have a closer look. By the way, did you see the YouTube video about the glass walkway in China? The one with the vertical drop of more than 1 kilometer below it? That's insane. Now, while you ponder walking on there, let me tell you that some guy thought it would be fun to play practical jokes on people. Now, I said some guy because I can't believe any woman would be so stupid. He installed infrared sensors at the side of the walkway, and when people walked past, it would trigger a fake glass shattering effect with sound. Luckily, the local council stepped in and said, "You can't do that," in Chinese, of course. They rightly figured someone would have a heart attack or jump over the side, or both. So now they don't do that. And here we have novice monks wanting to try out the glass walkway, but oh dear, what a shame, it's closed. And this guy seems to have discovered the same thing, and he seems to be saying that that's all for this episode, so it's goodbye from Bert, who's over there somewhere, and it's goodbye from him. Goodbye.